Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank my supervisor DRAFV Karafiati MPD and Miss Nai Supartini Atmawijaya M.Hum, who has carried and helping me to complete my research paper. Before we move to the next slide, let me introduce myself. My name is Senja Pusparahayu. I am English Education Student 2018, English Education Study Program, Faculty of Language Education, IKIP Siliwangi. This video is requirement of my final project for Sarjana Pendidikan Degree English Education. So, my final project is under the title Developing Word Wall as a Media for Teaching Vocabulary Assisted by Canva. In my final project consists of 5 contents. And the first one is about background of the research. In this stage, I would like to explain about ideal condition, current condition, and solution. And the second is about objective of the research. In this stage, I would like to explain about 4 objectives of the research. And the third is methodology that consists of research design, subject of the research, instrument, and data analysis. And the fourth is result, and the last is conclusion. So the first topic is about background of the research. In the ideal condition, according to Al-Kahtani 20 and 15, English is the focus of language training as is essential for language beginners. To master English, students must collect a large vocabulary because English understanding is supported by vocabulary. The larger the capacity of language abilities, the research of vocabulary. Based on Tarigan 20 and 11, argument explain why vocabulary is so important in speaking, but as a route for written text, and also as a channel for spoken text. But the current condition, many students have not mastered or understood English vocabulary. They have difficulty knowing adjective, they have difficulty in pronouncing and understanding the meaning of the word. And solution, based on explanation, the researcher has to propose to the developing word wall as a media for teaching vocabulary assisted by Canva. The researcher developing word wall assisted by Canva because to make it as attractive as possible by using a design, because with that students are more interested in learning. Therefore, this wordwall media will be assisted by the Canva application, which is suitable as a learning media. The next slide is about objective of the research, and the first one is to find out the process and result of developing wordwall assisted by Canva to first grade junior high school student, and the second to know the feasibility of wordwall assisted by Canva based on expert, and the third, teacher and student respond toward the teaching material, that is to find out develop, and the last is to find out the obstacle that were found when developing a word wall assisted by Canva in teaching vocabulary. So move to the next topic. This topic about methodology. This research paper using Word and Goal, which has been adapted by Sugiono 2003. The procedure for developing the evaluation instrument are: first, needs analysis, data collection, product design, design validation, design revision, small scale trial, product revision, and the last, usage trials. The subject of the research, preliminary field testing, 15 students, and main field testing, 30 students. And the research instrument, first validation sheet to make sure the validity of product the research developed, and the second questionnaire to find out the student responses, and the third interview. It is to work conducted English teacher to obtain information problem in the learning process, and the documentation in this study are photos that document event during the learning process using this learning media. And the last is data analysis techniques. The researcher analyze quantitative and qualitative data. Let's move to the next topic. This topic about result. The result number 1 is process and result developing word wall. The first is need analysis. There is no interactive learning media in the 7th grade English learning process, so student need learning media that can be used wherever and whenever students study. And the second, data. The result of the curriculum analysis selected one basic competence, which became the target of development. The main material of basic competence is about vocabulary. And the third is product design. Visual learning media with Canva include formatting the objectives of making vocabulary learning media according to student need, making design that are as attractive as possible to attract student attention, a collection of images to be used, making vocabulary material as a learning material, the initial design of learning, and finally the preparation of the instrument for the feasibility test of learning media as a sort of student learning. And the fourth is design validation. Validation is done by involving three validators consisting of two media validators and one material validators. And the fifth, design revision. Suggestion given by media expert has been improved according to suggestions given. Small scale trial was conducted. The number of respondents was 15 students. Seventh, product revision. After conducting a small scale test and giving a questionnaire to the students, there are some suggestions for improving the instruments. And the last is test usage. In use trial involving a different class than before. Here taking 30 respondents or 30 students. Next, the result number 2, feasibility of developing Wordwall. Validator 1 and 2 get 82%. This is included in the very worth it category. Then the third validator, namely the English teacher, get 91% and this Wordwall is very worth it category. So validation can be concluded that this media is categorized as very worth it and there is no revision. And then the result number 3 is about student and teacher responses. Based on the preliminary field testing result, 58 of 15 students can create enough categories. And during the main field testing, it was found that this media increased significantly by 81% of the 30 students who state that the word media could be a medium to strengthen and increase the vocabulary of each student. So, this media is very suitable and gives a very good response because it has a significant increase in student ability to expand vocabulary and be able to remember later. And the teacher response, teacher feel helped by the existence of learning media because it can make it easier for students to bring illustration to be taught and remember new vocabulary that they do not know. And this media doesn't make it boring when learning because it is the first time in the middle of learning using media to make games. The last, result number 4 is the obstacle is that researchers have difficulty finding the most appropriate data and references according to expert. Then, when designing a product, the problem is making whatever design is suitable because there are several features that must be premium and paid for. The last topic is about conclusion, and the first one is this research yields research and development of Borg and Gall step which has been modified by researcher. The steps are need analysis, data collection, product design, design validation, design revision, small scale trial, product revision, and usage trial. And the second is based on the result of validation in accordance with the step of theory of Borg and Gall, which has adapted by Sugiono 2003, the validation result state 82% are media expert and 91% are material experts. So validation can be concluded that this media is categorized as very worth it and there is no revision. The response of teacher and student to vocabulary learning using visual media during classroom learning shows a positive response. Students have progressed quite well. This can be seen interested in using the media because they think using the media is quite fun. So it can be concluded that the proposed media can improve student vocabulary mastery. Obstacle is that researchers have difficulty finding most appropriate data and references according to experts. Then, when designing a product, the problem is making whatever design is suitable because there are several features that must be premium and paid for. That's all my final project. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.